And then like the lights work on that one.
Oh, the lights work too?
This one, on some of the cars, this one has a winch down front. So that.
Oh, it got a winch on it? Oh, I see
You
it.
can pull the front axle in. Because sometimes you'd be on a hill climb and this thing's sticking out way too far.
Yeah.
Suck it in.
What?
And another thing is that electronics are just becoming more and more valuable.
Dang.
So like this axle housing right here,
Yeah.
$300. So
Man, what's that, like a 4 9-inch?
Basically, it's a Curry licensed axle.
A Curry licensed axle.
Because this one's a Curry. This is the F9. You've probably seen one of those before.
Yeah. That look like a little 9-inch, man. Fab from the Fab, a Fab 9 or something. Dang, they wrote their name on this one. This one was 300 too?
Yep.
Well, you did something. How much the drive shaft cost, man? Did the drive shaft ever break? Have you ever seen the drive shaft break? No.
Once you go to these metal, nothing breaks.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But these drive shafts are like $50 for the pair.
Oh, okay, them heavy duty though?
And then all these links are titanium.
Yeah.
So they're really lightweight.
Yeah.
They're really strong.
Yeah.
But they're really expensive.
What?
And every single link on the car is titanium. And like the bends, I did the bends to get the steering clear and everything. This probably trip you out. So if you look at this drive shaft output and this one,
Yeah.
watch how they spin opposite. You see that?
Oh, that is going the wrong way.
So this transmission has got this output that comes through,
Yeah.
and then it's got another output that's on the other side. And so this offset output,
Yeah.
it overdrives the front, so it spins faster on
In the
this one.
front?
Yeah, it spins faster in the
So
front.
it's trying to pull it on out that hole pretty much.
Yep, and it's reverse rotation. So the idea behind the reverse rotation is, you know how cars torque twist?
Yeah.
This takes it out by having the drive shaft
Oh,
spin
it's opposite.
direction.
So if it try to go this
balances
way, it's coming back that way.
It
Oh
balances them
man.
out.
Golly.
And the only way to do that is you got to flip your ring gear around so they're the opposite directions.
Yeah.
So the only way to do it with this axle, I had to flip it over. I had to cut the truss off, the $300 axle.
Yeah.
And then that's why I made my own truss on here.
God.
And this car, like, I'm gonna paint it. It's gonna get panels. It's still a work in progress, and I'm working on tabs. I'm working on other things. So I want to make like a production model of this car.
Yeah.
I've won multiple events with this car. It's very reliable, and it does what you'll see when we start.
Do you think it got something to do about your axle configuration?
That and my geometry.
Yeah.
Everything about the car, because I mean, I built the measurements on this car from here to here, from there to there, and the height of it.
Yeah.
They're the minimum of the rules. So this is as small of a car as you can get in the class.
Okay. And how much it got to weigh? 6 pounds?
6 pounds, and this weighs exactly 6 pounds.
Do people be like, oh, I hope it dropped a little 5.9, like the way you ain't in the class or something?
And they're always like, they be betting
That you
on me. Or, yeah,
Oh yeah?
Yeah, especially at all, because I'm one of the best drivers.
Yeah.
And so they'll be like, well, I bet he makes perfect score, and then they're all betting.
Golly. Okay, now tell us about how much these drag cars cost, man. What? And I got one dude, he said, is any of them for sale? I got somebody want to buy something right now.
Yeah, look on the Crawler Innovations website. If you go to the, I think it's the, yeah, there you go. You gotta go into the
Crawler Innovations website.
Yep.
Start scrolling, look for sale.
There's some RC cars in there, because I have another one that I'm trying to sell. It's $2,500 as well.
Okay.
But this one is like $1,000.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, I mean, it's the most expensive part of this car is the electronics. It's $120 battery, you got $100 servo, you got another $100 in the remote setup. You got this cat pack, because what this is right here is to clean up the voltage. Since it's only running on 2S, and this is made for 8S, this ESC.
Yeah.
So we're only using a quarter of what it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Powered by. We got to use this cat pack to help the voltage not ripple. Otherwise, it'll just drop.
Okay.
And this one, the chassis is 850, and then everything else you add to it. So this
Oh, the
one's
chassis 850. Anybody could buy that?
Yep. They're in Houston.
Okay, these people right here in Houston. Okay.
The guy that built this car, their team, Earl, his car's running 1.9 at like 70 miles.
Damn, 1.9. He done got it to drop.
He's won like the past 4 drag racing events.
What he doing? What he doing special?
Same car. He built this. That's who I got it from.
You think you could put some of your technology on a car like this?
Yeah.
With the double speed, these 4-wheel drive?
No, it's only 2-wheel drive.
Can you have 4-wheel drive? Oh, you can't have 4-wheel on the drag?
They
Ah.
consider that cheating.
Oh.
And it's for people who can't drive. Let's be
Okay.
real, okay? Because if you can drive, 2-wheel drive is what you're going to be doing. That's what they're doing at the drag strip. That's what you were filming last night.
Yeah.
It was all 2-wheel drive cars.
Yeah.
So
Ain't
that's where the
nobody.
driving is at. When you
Yeah.
put a 4-wheel drive car on the drag strip, it just gas it and hold it. It's going to drive
Yeah.
straight.
Oh, okay. So
we're
this,
in a driver's meeting going.
let's go here. Let's go here. We headed to the drivers meeting, y'all. They finna run these cars today. Hey, y'all.
No, the charging
Generator.
batteries for the audio and video equipment. Otherwise, I'd shut it off. But I guess you can hear me? Yeah. Everybody can hear me?
Yeah.
Thank you for coming out. Obviously, tech was the first time for us, so that was fun to see everybody. Some people had it down, others had to add weight. Are there any questions about how this is it's run today in general? Some of you, we do have, it's your first time?
Anybody got any
And,
questions?
any other first timers? No.
So our first time for comp, we came out last time and it was just like a test and tune play day.
Okay.
But
Well, the main, you understand the main rules in terms of the reverse is 1 penalty. Touch the truck or touch the gate, that's 10 points. You've got 5 minutes to go from the start to the finish. And,
5?
5 minutes, yeah.
Of each course? Yeah.
Of each course, yeah. 5 minutes.
Is that a long time or that short time?
It's
Oh, that's-
short.
It's short.
Oh,
Depends
okay.
on what you're used to.
Oh, okay.
Some places don't put a time limit on it, and they'll allow people to be on course for 15, 20 minutes.
And
And
you'll be
really
there
try.
all day
Yeah.
trying to run 100 people through it. Like, how are you going to do that?
You can't do that.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna say, we're used to 6.
6 minutes what West does.
Yeah.
And see, they're down from Houston. They came up from Houston.
Oh, okay.
So in their group, they run an extra minute. But for us, we've always run 5 minutes.
Okay. Miss, do you think that 5, you think that extra 1 minute, you need that 1 minute, Miss?
Me?
Yeah.
Probably.
You need that 1 minute?
The rest of these guys, probably not. Me,
Okay.
on the other hand, I need all the time I can get.
Okay, well, when you get